Well, hello. Just finished the rebuild on the AE50 engine. Yeah, it took me a while. Just got the new piston and rings in today. It's been a bit of a fiddle. But yeah, rebuilt the carburettor, skimmed all the head down inside of temporary, just cleaned the exhaust up. It's going to be coming off at a later date because I'm getting a new one. Probably a high flow one, something. Yeah, all air boxes back on. Got some new 8mm bolts holding the casing on. Got some new 6mm for the throttle housing. So yeah, I've got next steps, just taking the variator off. I've got to swap the belt over. But the weather hasn't been best today, so I've been indoors all day just rebuilding the engine in the kitchen. I was hoping to actually get it back on the frame, but that might be happening tomorrow now, as it's still raining. All day job. But yeah, I'll put another video up hopefully tomorrow with it back in and running. Just see how it goes. There's a few electrical issues that I need to sort out on the frame, earthing, etc. But apart from that, it should be all going ahead. So yeah. Yeah, cog's knackered. Oh, something else I need to see to. Yeah. See you.